Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows desktop icons missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Right, so what you want to do, just simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to Settings, and then on the left hand side you want to click Personalize, then you want to choose Themes, and then under Related Settings you want to click Desktop Icon Settings. You want to click on that, and this will open up this window where you can see the desktop icons. Now these are the basic desktop icons, which is computer, user, files, network, recycle bin, control panel, etc. And if any of these are unchecked, for example, and they are not checked, you will not be able to see them on your desktop. So you want to ensure that whichever one you need is checked, and then you want to click Apply. Now, if you're looking for a more general icon, which is like your applications that you install on Windows, you normally will have those shortcuts on your desktop. And if these are the ones that are missing, then you want to try this next step. So what you want to do, you want to right click on your taskbar, and where you have View at the top, you want to ensure that Show Desktop Icons is checked. Now for me, this is currently unchecked, and this is to give myself a clean screen while I'm doing my presentation for you guys. But I have quite some icons on my desktop on both of my screens, of course. But let me go ahead and show you what happens. So if I right click here, go to View, and then click Show Desktop Icon, you will realize that my icons are now showing again. And if I right click again and go to View and then uncheck this Show Desktop Icons, then my desktop is once again clean. So you want to ensure that you check these settings as well, just in case your icons was somehow removed from your desktop by utilizing these settings. Now, as I said, for me, I'm using this to give myself a clean presentation, but this could also be one of the reasons why you're not seeing your icons on your desktop. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.